Making your first $1,000 online is not about luck. It's about using the right model, the right platform, and executing with precision. In this video, I'm going to show you a clear, beginner-friendly blueprint to go from zero to your first $1,000 online. No hype, no shortcuts, just a system that works. Step 1. Choose a high-demand skill. Before you try to make money online, you need to understand one thing. Money online comes from solving problems. Right now, businesses are paying for content creation, video editing, graphic design, copywriting, and AI-assisted services. You don't need to master all of them. You only need one skill. The fastest option today is AI-assisted services because tools allow beginners to produce professional work quickly. For example, YouTube scripts, TikTok captions, thumbnails, and short-form videos. You can learn the basics in a few hours. Step 2. Use AI tools to speed up work. This is where most beginners gain an unfair advantage. Tools like ChatGPT from OpenAI allow you to generate scripts, ideas, marketing content. When you open ChatGPT, the layout is simple. A chat box at the center where you type requests, and the AI responds instantly. You can type something like, write a YouTube script for a finance channel about making money online. Within seconds, you have usable content. This allows you to complete work faster and take on more clients. The link is in the description below. Step 3. Create your first offer. Now you need something to sell. This is where most people get stuck because they overthink it. Your offer should be simple and clear. For example, I will write high-quality YouTube scripts for your channel, or I will edit short-form videos for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. That's it. No complex branding, no website needed, just a clear service. Step 4. Start on freelance platforms. The fastest way to make your first $1,000 is by using platforms that already have buyers. The two best platforms are Fiverr and Upwork. Fiverr, operated by Fiverr, has a very simple layout. At the top, there's a search bar. Below that, categories like writing, design, video editing. You create a gig, which is your service listing. Clients browse and place orders directly. Upwork, operated by Upwork, works differently. Instead of waiting for orders, you apply for jobs. When you open Upwork, you'll see job listings, client budgets, and proposal buttons. You send proposals explaining how you can solve